If you've ever accidentally lost a Word document or had a file get deleted, don't panic. Today I'm going to show you how to recover unsaved or deleted Word documents on Windows with methods that really works. Let's get started. First, let's start with recovering unsaved documents in Microsoft Word. Open Microsoft Word, go to the File tab and click on Open at the bottom of the screen or at the left-hand side. Here you'll see an option for Recover Unsaved Documents. Tap on it. A window will open showing you up any unsaved documents. Select the file you need and click Open. Make sure to save the file immediately. And that's how you can recover unsaved or deleted Word documents on Windows. Remember to save your work regularly and consider setting up backups to avoid losing important files in the future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.